In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to import a software wallet into the SafePal app. Click at the top. These are the wallets that are currently active. Add wallet, select software wallet, and you go to the bottom, you have 4 options to import. At the very bottom, we have observation mode. This is to view any wallet address you wish. Mnemonic phrase, this is your seed phrase. By private key, this is an encrypted set of numbers. And by key store, this is a encrypted UTC file. For this tutorial, we're going to import our seed phrase. Enter a password, confirm, and you only need to enter the first 4 letters of each word. It should be able to pick up what you're trying to type. Disclaimer, we do not store any passwords or seed phrases, and you must import the words in the correct order or you will not be able to recover the wallet. Make sure you have spaces in between the words. Name your wallet, and you would select import. Let's look at the advanced section. The path feature allows users to recover wallet addresses created by other wallets, such as Ledger and Trust Wallet. Let's go back. Import. Your wallet is now imported. As you can see here, I have 2 wallets in my software wallet app now. Congratulations!